All right, so this is how we're going to be taking our tests using Proctorio through Canvas and mymathlab. So the first thing you're going to do is select the My Map and Mastering button, which will then link you to My Lab and Mastering, your mymathlab. What this is doing is signing you in to your mymathlab. So you'll leave that tab open and you'll go back, and now we can start our test. So the test link is found right there underneath our modules. And yours will say take the test, take the quiz. I'm taking it again because I've done it multiple times to make this video. So you'll take the test, and then now it's going to go through the process. So what it wants to do now is close that tab that's up there. So you'll go down and you'll click to close the tab. And then now you start your pre-exam checks. And then this is asking you to share your entire screen. So to do that, you're just going to click on the screen. Right there. Hit share. And it'll start through the rest of the process. All right, so now it wants to start your exam situations. So we're going to first go through our ID. So you're going to hold your ID up. And it's really difficult to get in that little window. So as long as you have it in that window, you can actually click this little area and it'll just take whatever is view there. But do make sure that your picture is perfectly clear. If not, you want to retake it. Now it's testing your camera. So it just wants to make sure it takes a nice picture of you. So make sure you get really close. Not close enough here. So see, it didn't take it. So we retest it. Get a little bit closer. And now we're good. So it's going to do an intelligent room scan, but first you need to sign your name to verify that it is you that's taking this. It's not my signature, so. Now you wait. Don't start your test yet. What's happening is it's a little bit of a delay. So what you want to start your scanning of your room. And so when you do this, make sure you do a very good scan of the entire area of your entire room. So you see I'm scanning all of that situation of where you're working to make sure that you are not hiding anything. So it's legitimate. Well, then now you can start your test. You'll see that there is a little picture of you right here. This is what your camera is recording. Always make sure that your camera is recording you, not the ceiling. So if you do move your screen up and down, because that is where your camera is located, please make sure that you can still see yourself. So this tab will be open to where you can actually look at it every single time throughout the entire test. So now it's opening a new tab to take the test. See how there was a delay there? So when you click this link, it has to enter the password itself. So give it time, and it does that. Now you can start your test. And you'll be very familiar with this from doing the homework at this point. So you're going to enter all your answers here. You'll just shuffle through all the different questions until you've answered all 24 in this case. And when you're done, you'll hit submit test here and then submit quiz here. If you do not submit both, then what happens is they're going to stay open for the entire 3 hours that you have for this test. And that means you have to wait until those 3 hours are done before you're going to be able to retake the test. So if you submit tests on each, then your tests are over and you're allowed to take your second attempt. So please make sure you do hit submit test on each. If you don't, when the timer runs out, it'll just submit it from there. All right, so that's our process.